Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an organic harvest facial kit. First, begin by cleansing your face. Take a small, coin-sized amount of the cleanser and apply it to your damp skin. Gently massage in upward, circular motions for about 2 minutes to remove impurities. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, ensuring all cleanser is removed, then pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Next, it's time to exfoliate. Take a generous amount of the scrub and apply it evenly to your damp face and neck. Using light pressure, gently massage in small, circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes. Pay extra attention to areas prone to blackheads, like your nose and chin. Rinse off the scrub completely with cool water to close your pores. Now, let's move to the massage step, which deeply nourishes your skin. Apply a good amount of the massage cream to your face and neck. Using your fingertips, gently massage for 10 to 15 minutes with upward and outward strokes. This helps improve blood circulation and skin elasticity. After massaging, gently wipe off any excess cream with a damp, soft cloth. Finally, it's time for the face mask. Apply an even layer of the mask to your face and neck, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Allow it to dry and work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Relax during this time. Once dry, rinse the mask off thoroughly with water. Finish by applying a light, hydrating moisturizer to lock in the benefits and leave your skin glowing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.